I look like a freaking, not even gonna say. Let me turn off my music. I just put this on to get my hair out of the way while I'm doing my makeup. Shout out to Laneige. Probably shouldn't use it for that. Probably for like, you know, taking my hair out of my face when I'm doing my skincare. Now I got a little makeup on my poor white headband here, and now it's all wet because my hair is wet. But whatever, you know, you gotta work with what you got. Okay, so I'm gonna do my bangs today. I am gonna style my hair first, so I can kind of get to see where my hair dries. I need to see where it's gonna like fall to do my bangs. I used to do my bangs all the time before I dyed my hair, and then I kind of just decided to grow all of my hair out, but I miss the bangs. I feel like it fit me. Yeah, so we gon' get it together. So my hair is super soft. I wash, deep condition. I will put in the description box what I use to wash my hair, deep condition, all that. I feel like I should sit up. Is that better? I want to be like right in the middle, you know. I also noticed that in my videos you can't hear me. Well, you can hear me, but you can hear my air conditioning, so I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Okay, I'll get a microphone soon, I promise, guys. Okay, so let me just split my hair. Man, my hair is so soft right now. I'm so happy. Because sometimes, you know, I be real lazy with my deep conditioning. And then it just, I pay for it later. Let me take off my ring before it gets a bunch of crap in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So you want your hair to be a little more wet. I'm sad because my shirt is going to get wet. But whatever. So I'm just gonna damp it a little bit more. I always have to have my hair soaking wet when I apply product. So, okay, I think that should be good enough. Okay, take my brush. This is from, I know, but I don't know. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I mentioned it in one of my videos before. I'll also put that in the description box. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using the Mizani. This is their Miracle Cream. I put this in my video of favorite products. It really is A1. So it's their leave-in Miracle Cream. And it has UV filter and heat protection up to 450 degrees. So it's really good right now, especially for summer, because it's freaking blazing hot outside. And I also used it, if you've seen, I didn't film, but I will next time. I used it in my hair before I straightened it. And girl, it came out silky. Okay, I don't want to like pile on too much product today because I want my hair to be super fluffy for when I cut my bangs. Okay, where's my cream? Okay, if you didn't see my story on Instagram, I got this This is Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream. I hope I said that. Yeah. I got it from Family Dollar for $6. Okay. And this is one of my favorite creams, curl creams to use. I'm not gonna put too much, just a little bit, because girl, when I tell you the definition from this cream, like I usually have to use a gel after my creams to just give it a little more definition, but you really don't even need that with this cream. That's how good it is. I feel weird when my hair is not like soaked. Speaking of spray, I forgot to put setting spray on my makeup. Okay, I feel like it might be a little heavy, but we'll see, we'll see. And every time I use this cream, my curls last longer. And for this cream, where is it at? It doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, and a bunch of other bad chemicals. I'm still like learning about like reading ingredients. I'm not like super strict when it comes to ingredients. I just feel like if it works for my hair, then it works. But I do try to, you know, get products that aren't harmful to my hair. But yeah, I really like that cream. It's like crazy. Ah! I'm like soaking my, I should have just dipped my whole head in the water before I started this video, but we're gonna be here all day. And of course doing it section by section because you want to make sure you're getting, okay, make sure you're getting product all throughout your hair. Like you really do not need that much product. That's how good this cream is, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm gonna just do that for the rest of my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put product all throughout my hair, and usually before my hair dries, I part it, you know, on the side to make sure that when it does dry, it's, you know. So I have it parted in the middle because I'm gonna be doing my bangs. So now I didn't want to diffuse, but I'm gonna diffuse so we can kind of, you know, speed this thing up. I don't have a special, you know, diffuser. It's just, this one's from, I think it's from Revlon, and I got it for like 15 to 20 bucks at Walmart, I think. You can check at Target too. I'm pretty sure I got my first one that's exactly like this from Target. So let's get this thing rolling. Okay, so because my hair is soaking wet, I just try and be gentle so that it doesn't mess up my curl pattern. I'm just gently going up, down, and then up and down, just trying not to be so rough and mess up, you know, the way that my curls are supposed to dry. Also, I have it on medium heat. The reason for trying to be gentle is so that you can eliminate frizz. I mean, I still kind of got some frizz because I was doing too much and in a hurry, but you know what it is. My hair is like 85% dry, pretty much my roots, so I'm just gonna scrunch and blow dry up to get my roots. Okay, so I've parted my hair to, you know, what parts I want to cut. This is mostly just the front few hairs that I want to get. I already cut one piece, so I'm gonna just line the rest up with that piece. I kind of did it to the middle of my nose. I didn't want to go too far up, so I started really low so that, you know, I don't go too far up and then, you know, regret it. So I'm just following the first one that I cut because I like that length, just right above my eyelash in the middle of my nose. So I'm going to do that with pretty much the 3 big curls that you see in the front. Now I'm gonna get a couple of strands on the side and do it like a level longer, not shorter, longer. And I'm kind of doing like a diagonal-ish type of shape, and then the ends I'm gonna just cut only a little bit off. So it's kind of gonna be like half an oval under my bangs, if that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm done cutting. I'm gonna take my hair out to see if everything like falls in place, if there's anything else I need to cut, but I'm pretty satisfied with the way that it came out. I just want to fluff my hair to see if, you know, the length of my bangs change, but yeah, I like the way that it is. This is the end result. What I like about having bangs with curly hair, you can still wear it to the side if you want to. It still works that way, still kind of have a bang there, so that works as well. But yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited about my new bang, you know. So I hope you subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to say hi. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.